Hello, my name is Alex. I'm originally from Romania and I've just moved to Aberystwyth with my husband. He is Welsh and he is a Welsh speaker. And I've decided I want to learn Welsh as well and to immerse myself more into the Welsh community. My lesson is about to start in less than 10 minutes, and I am so excited to meet the other learners, to meet my tutor, Zoe, and I'm sure it's going to be a great experience, despite being on Zoom. I'm also a little bit nervous. I guess I look forward to gaining more confidence in using the few Welsh words that I know, and just to learn more and to be able to have day-to-day conversations. So I'm really excited about these lessons. But I have to go now, just about to start. See you soon.